look like the first time I'm moving. I just moving to Katy.
Really?
Yeah, from Colo, and I think I carry everything go up and down, up and down. Yes, the first time hurts look like a tie here, hurt in low back like that. On the after that is today, I walk a lot too, and I on my go down to my hip, and right now it's to my knees. Yes.
Is it one knee or both knee? One knee.
The first time it's one, and I go to doctor. Yeah, and
MD medical doctor, right?
Urgent care doctor.
Urgent care, okay.
Yeah, urgent care doctor.
Okay, what did they say?
She said I have a muscle infection.
Muscle infection.
Yeah, muscle like that, and they give the medicine. After 7 days, I'm still can't walk.
You still cannot walk?
I even can walk. My daughter.
Even taking medication?
Yes, my daughter have to
a walker or something?
Walker, yes. Walker for me can walk, go to get a food, go to the restroom like that. And after that, go back to doctor again. And she shot for I think for infection too, like that. And after that, it's still not good. But I take medicine for relax. I bring for show you too.
I see. So is all this for how long? 6 months, 1 year, couple weeks?
Right now about is 3-4 weeks.
3-4 weeks?
4 weeks, yeah, about 4 weeks, because right now I have to cancel my work. Yeah, because I can't go to work. Yes, I see. Because I pain.
So mainly you have pain for the low back or the shoulder?
It's my low back, and right now look like it's over here. I don't know because I'm carrying my back. It's heavy yesterday or not, and right now I think it's maybe I walk on this side. Okay. My weight on this side and start, but it's not too much. Yes, but start.
So like almost like all this you feel pain?
Yeah, about this, but right now it feel better. But I think if I wait about this about a week already. It's still like this, and someday when morning it's worse more like that.
I do some simple orthopedic exam, okay? So lean back, you feel more, you barely lean back.
Yeah.
Can you lean back a little bit? No, you cannot. Okay, how about lean forward, all the way down? Lean forward is okay, right?
Yeah.
It's painful too?
Yeah, around here, side here.
You barely lean back, you barely lean forward. So
yeah, I lean a little.
It's painful?
Yes.
I see. Okay, you might as well go all the way down to your
knee. Yeah, this side and this side start already. If you look my back, I'm start.
I see. Already. And then, okay, from 1 to 10, 10 is the worst pain you have. What's your level? 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. Worst pain level?
Over 5, 6 or
5,
7. Yes, because if I walk, yesterday I walked a little bit about 10, not over 15 step, right? That I go somewhere with my friend. I have to walk.
I see. Like anything happened to you? You fell down, you hit something, car accident?
No,
nothing happened?
Not fell down. I'm not hit anything.
Okay.
I fell down, but long time ago. Already. Yeah.
But how come all of a sudden you feel all this low back pain? Like 3-4 weeks ago, like nothing happened?
No, nothing happened. Just that day I feel my knee a little bit, but I think it's not.
keep in this position, okay? I'll take a lower back X-ray. Keep in this position. Okay. Yeah, you can step to the left until you touch the floor. So, but you see your spine.
Yeah, I see.
You do you know this?
I don't know, but I didn't remember. If I know it's long time ago,
Long time ago?
already, yes.
You-
About here.
Okay.
About
So-
my tailbone.
Yeah, you're a big problem. Even low back is huge.
Yeah, and that I don't know.
So all this, okay? So this L5 bone. So that's why you're always low back pain. So the bone tilt on one side, pinch the nerve on this side. It's a big problem. You are more than 20, 30 degree.
Yes.
So normal bone should be straight, okay? So this is normal spine should be straight, right?
Okay, yes.
Yours is S shape.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, okay. So this L5, this S1. You can compare your X-ray to normal X-ray. Normal should be 6.8. Yeah, you're very small. So, but no.
I'm okay to use hand.
Okay. Okay, I need to find out which area is more damage, okay?
I hope that is a lot.
This is a lot, okay. I turn down power. Okay, take deep breath in, inhale, exhale all the way out. Okay, one more time, inhale, exhale. Okay, stay here, okay? It's okay, right? It's okay. Oh, super soft. Okay, painful, very painful. Okay, turn this way. Okay, good. Okay, okay, down. Okay, this hand, good elbow is. Okay, that's so soft. Let's see if we can move a little bit. Okay, turn to the side. The other side. Yes, yes. Good. Bend this way for me. Good. Okay, but relax. Okay, let's see. Okay, this hand. Good. Grab your elbow. Let's see if I move your lower back. Okay. Oh, pretty good. It moved a little bit. Okay, on your back, on facing. Yeah, screw upside. Up. Oh, okay, that's good. Okay, stay here. Okay, let's see if I can super gently adjust your neck. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if I'm moving under. Okay, it moved a little bit. That's good. Relax. Okay, good. Okay, yeah, lean back, relax. Oh, good, little bit. Okay, little bit, yes. I can feel move a little bit.
I'm here.
So, couple steps, let's see how it feels. Little bit better?
Yes, it's look.
Better, little bit better?
Yes.
How about keep walking? I want to see how you walk. Yeah, see better? Yeah, you walk straighter now. A little bit better.
Just a little bit feel, that's all.
It's
Not
still,
look like when I stand.
yeah, so with better already, right? A little bit better.
Better than I stand for X-ray.
Wow. So before you come here, 6, 7, 8, 9, what's pain level now? 4, 5, 6.
Oh, that about 6 or 7. Sometimes if I walk more around the house,
Oh.
it's look like I tell you, it's 10 steps. I'm very pain.
10 step, you feel pain already? 10
yeah,
step?
I feel pain. Yes.
So now, like, better, right? A little bit better?
Yes, I feel. Yeah.
A little bit better? Okay, good.